Hello everyone, I am Om from Civil Center and today I am with a very energetic group of people who have just won national level structural designing competition organized by INSDAG. So we have with us Salman Ashraf, Debarshi Sahu, Subham Singh and Nikhil Thawani. So congratulations guys, how are you feeling after such a glorious achievement?
Yeah, it's a wonderful feeling for me and I'm really happy after this achievement. Representing your university at the national level competition and bagging a prize is something really worth like achieving your dreams.
Hi everyone. First of all, I would like to thank our guide, Professor Purnachandra Shah sir. Then Civil Center, not only Sajal sir but also Mainak sir, Sanjay sir, Om sir, and all the trainers of the courses, like how they guided us continuously. And apart from that, I will also like to thank our department for encouraging us to participate in such competitions.
So Debarshi, how did you feel being surrounded by all those influential personalities?
Basically, when we were selected in the final rounds, there were juries from different universities like IITs and NITs, the professors from different departments, and also industrialists from consultancy firms like MN Dastur and all that. They were present in that particular event. So there were a group of people, a group of jury members who were judging the event. Basically, they told us the main motto of everyone's speech was leading to a particular thing. I will tell that. So they were like repeatedly telling us that you should more focus on the things, how it will be implemented, and like they were inspiring us, they motivated us, like we should more focus on the detailing of our project. And basically they liked our drawing a lot, which basically Sanjay sir and Sajal sir combinedly, they helped us in the detailing part and they liked it a lot.
So basically they were focusing on the practical aspects of the knowledge and not just the bookish thing. Like we all learn theoretical knowledge, but the bookish knowledge is not enough.
Because it was not only a BTech project or a MTech project, it was going to be constructed in a real place. It was a real client project. So they focused on the each and every small detailing of the project. That's what they told, that you should more focus on the real practical aspects of a project to get it done properly.
What was the project cost?
We prepared the estimation and the material cost was coming around 2.2 crores.
Okay, that's a huge amount.
Yeah.
So Nikhil, what were the software that you used in this project?
Basically, we have used 3 softwares in this total project, and that are AutoCAD, StatPro and Tekla software. As we all know, AutoCAD for drafting, StatPro for analysis and designing, and for analysis and designing, one other software is there, that is Tekla. And we have also used Excel sheet, MS Excel, for the manually designing of the each and every member, which are used in the total structures. Yeah.
As we all know, you all are connected with Civil Center since a very long time. So tell us how Civil Center and its trainers helped you in your journey of INSDAG. Debarshi?
To be honest, basically it was all about the team Civil Center and our Professor Saha sir. And personally with Sajal sir, I have been connected since last 4 years, I guess.
Okay.
And when I was in my BTech, at the time I used to see Sajal sir participating in these events and all that, and I used to come and sit, like just observe that whatever thing he is doing and all that. And during that time I got involved in this designing and all that, and like I used to get like fascinated by seeing like how easily he designs and does all those things. Because in our course curriculum, what we are taught, like the lengthier procedures and all that. So when you are designing a particular structure, a real structure, you have to consider a lot more things, because you are not just only designing a particular member, you are designing the whole structure. So at the time, Sajal sir taught us the design part, detail part, and talking about the Tekla part, structural detailing and design. Sanjay sir has a in-hand good experience in that. Like he taught us how to handle Tekla, how to model, how to run a structure without any errors and all that. And Mainak sir also helped us in using the StatPro and all that.
Okay.
And the manual design part using MS Excel, Sajal sir has guided us throughout the project basically. And overall it was looked up by Professor Saha. He gave us small inputs like what are the things you need to focus on more in detail. So overall it was a combined effort of Civil Center and Professor Saha sir.
I was recently checking the website of KIT University, and I've seen that there was a pic of you, all for a few, holding your trophies. So what is your feeling? Like, how are you feeling after that?
So yeah, it is really a great feeling that your photo is updated on the official website of KIT University. And एक दिन मैं चेक कर रहा था करके, ये फेसबुक में था, तो KIT University के ऑफिशियल पेज पे फ़ोटो आई थी. तो उसी दिन सेम डे आई वाज इन लाइब्रेरी, एंड कुछ भी काम होता है ये अपडेट वगैरह का, तो लाइब्रेरी वाले सर भी देखते हैं काम को. तो लाइब्रेरी में पढ़ रहा था तो अचानक सर आए, प्रदीप सर, तो निखिल, आई हैव अपडेटेड योर फोटो ऑलरेडी एंड कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस फॉर दैट. सो इट वाज समथिंग लाइक, अगर सामने से सर आके बोल रहे हैं करके, इट वाज अ ग्रेट अचीवमेंट फॉर यू एंड कॉन्ग्रेचुलेटिंग us for that. It is something like big that you want. So it was great feeling actually.
One of my friends showed that your picture has came on the KIT today show, and he started that told me that it's a great achievement for me to be get a frame of KIT University. Thank you.
And Debarshi, would you like to add something?
Okay, almost they have covered the points, but I'll tell a different thing, that is like we in our stream which we belong from, there is structural engineering or civil engineering, whatever it is, we basically work hard to learn new things and gather new knowledge. That is fine, but to our parents who are sitting at home, they don't have that knowledge of particular civil engineering or whatever, or whatever I am achieving.
They just know that
they just know that you are doing something good, we are doing for civil engineering something good, we are achieving something. That is a different part. But like when they see these things, like their children's, they are like getting praised by the official KIT page or official website of the KIT. So that's the point when they get to know that yes, my son has done this or that. So that is a proud moment for me, like my parents are proud of me. That was the point.
Right. Obviously, our parents don't know what civil engineering is, or basically what engineering is. They just know that, okay, our son is going to be an engineer, or he will earn a good money, he will get a good job, but they don't know what it takes to be an engineer. But all they know is that their son is getting famous. So that should be a proud moment for all of you. Okay, Debarshi, there are many budding engineers in our college hostels, or basically in our college, who hesitate to participate in such competitions. Like they feel like if I'm going to participate in this competition, then my exam may screw up or something. So what do you think? They should participate in these things or not?
Talking about the hamper of studies or exams, see, like if you can manage the things very well, that is not a problem. So for example, Suham, he is from third year.
Okay, he's from third year.
Yeah, I'm from MTech first year. Salman and Nikhil, they are both from fourth year. So it was during their placement time also. And Subham in his third year, he has lot of pressure of studies. I understand how much study, like you feel pressure in third year basically.
Yeah, true.
But still he participated in INSDAC, so he can better answer it.
Yeah, actually I'm hampered because we have to do the projects after 12 a.m. to 5 p.m. Many times it was there that I have to leave the first class of my college, but I managed my time.
Actually, what encouraged you to manage your time?
Sir, as you asked, what encouraged us? So I think encouragement is something related to focus. If you are focused, like if you know what you have to do in your future for yourself, what you see, where you see in your, where you see yourself in future. So कहीं ना कहीं ऐसा लगता है हमको, कहीं ना कहीं सबको पता करके हम लोग को फ्यूचर में कहाँ जाना है या फिर हमारा गोल क्या है. तो समथिंग लाइक मेरे को पता है मेरे को क्या करना है, तो इससे रिलेटेड था कि मेरे को सॉफ्टवेयर्स के थ्रू ये पार्ट में जाना है और मेरे को जर्नी पता थी कहाँ से मेरे को कैसे चालू करनी है। तो कहीं ना कहीं से वहाँ से मेरे को मोटिवेशन मिलते गया करके मेरे को अल्टीमेटली सीखना यही है, यही पेस में मेरे को जाना है। तो वो एक मोटिवेशन पेस था मेरे लिए और उसके थ्रू मैं चलते गया और काम होते गया और ये रिजल्ट आया।
ओके निखिल, जब आपको इतना क्लियरली पता है कि आपको जाना कहाँ है तो हम लोग को भी बताइए कि व्हाट्स योर गोल।
अल्टीमेटली मेरे को कहीं ना कहीं एक कंसल्टेंसी फर्म तक जाना है और मैं उसके लिए सीखना चाहता हूँ बहुत कुछ, और जो मैं बहुत कुछ सीख सका हूँ अभी तक सजल भैया के यहाँ, सजल सर के यहाँ, पीसी साहा सर के अंडर गाइडेंस में, तो उन्होंने बहुत सिखाया और मेरे को लगता है आगे भी मैं सीखते जाऊँगा। और थैंक यू।
अच्छा, आप लोगों ने सॉफ्टवेयर पे बहुत काम किया, राइट? सो जैसा कि आप लोग भी जानते हैं कि हम लोग उड़ीसा के पहले टेक्ला ट्रेनिंग सेंटर हैं, ऑथराइज्ड ट्रेनिंग सेंटर हैं। सो आप टेक्ला स्ट्रक्चरल डिज़ाइनर के बारे में कुछ बताइए।
बेसिकली टेक्ला इज़ अ सिमिलर सॉफ्टवेयर, स्ट्रैटपो जैसा ही है। इसमें भी आप एनालिसिस एंड डिज़ाइन कर सकते हो स्ट्रैटपो जैसा ही, बट द थिंग वेयर टेक्ला बीट स्ट्रैटपो, द डिज़ाइनिंग पार्ट, द यूज़र इंटरफेस इट प्रोवाइड्स टू अस, लाइक वहाँ पे हम लोग को बहुत फ्रीडम मिलता है, यूज़र एक्सपीरियंस उसका बहुत सही रहता है, बहुत अच्छा। लाइक स्टैट में छोटे छोटे मिस्टेक्स कमिट करने की वजह से बहुत सारा लार्ज एरर वगैरह आ जाता है, ठीक है। बट टेक्ला में हमको वो फ्रीडम मिलता है कि यूज़र को कि आप कोई भी चीज़ बनाओ, फिर उसको डिलीट करो, फिर उसको एडिट करो, लाइक 1000 टाइम यू कैन एडिट द मॉडल एंड अगेन रीएनालाइज एंड डिज़ाइन एट द सेम टाइम, एंड इट गिव्स यू अ गुड प्लेटफॉर्म टू लाइक डिज़ाइन योर स्ट्रक्चर्स इन डिफरेंट वे। तो इसका डिज़ाइनिंग पार्ट बहुत सही रहता है एंड यूज़र फ्रेंडली है, एंड इससे आप डायरेक्टली एस्टिमेशन वगैरह निकाल सकते हो, एंड यहाँ से आप ड्राइंग्स भी एक्सपोर्ट कर सकते हो, जो कि बहुत लोगों को शायद नहीं पता है। हम लोगों ने ड्राइंग मैनुअली प्रिपेयर किया था ऑटोकैड में, बट टेक्ला से आप डायरेक्टली ड्राइंग्स भी निकाल सकते हो। या एंड दैट वाज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट अबाउट टेक्ला. It gives us lot of opportunities and lot of like flexibilities while we are designing the project.
So you guys have already bagged a prestigious award. So what's your next plan?
So plan it was already decided actually, and according to the plan हम लोग proceed किए थे, जिसके अंदर एक step था INSDAC, to be honest, and actually we took the inspiration from Sajal sir. Personally, I am very much motivated from this individual. He played a big role in my life, and like
and he is also the winner, previous winner.
Yeah,
right.
And as we all know that previously Sajal sir was also participated in this competition, and in 2017 he won the second prize also, and we took the motivation from him. Like 2-3 साल उनके साथ रहते रहते एंड काम करते करते एक इन्फ्लुएंस टाइप का होता है ना, तो उससे मतलब हम लोगों को भी कुछ हद तक, पर्सनली मेरा बात बहुत बोल रहा हूँ, बट इन लोगों को भी, सलमान एंड निखिल, दे विल ऑल्सो एग्री विथ मी कि हम लोगों को कहीं ना कहीं एक मोटिवेशन मिला कि अपने दम पे अपना एक कुछ स्टार्टअप हम लोग स्टार्ट करें. सो बेसिकली आई एम ऑल्सो डीपली मोटिवेटेड टू ओपन माई ओन कंसल्टेंसी फर्म.
ओके, बेसिकली अभी मेरे पास 1 साल का टाइम है, तो मेरा मेन फोकस ये है कि मैं सॉफ्टवेयर्स, और जैसे टेक्ला अभी न्यू मार्केट में है तो मुझे वो और सीखना है ताकि मैं अपने नेक्स्ट इंस्टेक के लिए उसको यूज़ कर सकूं.
So I think we are getting late. We are out of time now. So one last thing. What's your message for our viewers? Salman?
My message to the viewers is that just try to be yourself. Be honest with yourself. Just never try to copy others. Thank you.
Devarshi?
Be focused on your goal. Be honest, obviously, as he said, and be positive always, and never hesitate to learn a new thing. Thank you.
My is that be always be a good learner first.
Okay, I want to say that come to the conclusion, like where you want to go, which path you have to follow. I mean, what is the destination? What is your destination? Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, everyone. This was a wonderful interaction with you. Let's end the session on this note. Like, share and subscribe our channel.